Hi guys, Adam at Leighton Vans. So you've seen plenty of the LVR kit in and around the showroom and around our yard, all looking nice and pretty, but we're out here at Home Moss Summit up in the heart of the Dales, and yeah, we're going to get some driving shots. We're going to show you what the kit looks like on the road and on the move. A little bit about the LVR kit before we start. Now, it's front and rear bumpers, complete replacement front bumper, complete replacement rear bumper, made out of PU plastic, the exact same material spec that VW use on their factory bumpers, and it's also made in the exact same way. Now, the first kits that we had in of these are all now sold out. We have put things into place to get some more quicker, and in around 2 weeks we are having a restock of the kits. Now, they are out now on a pre-order on our website, and you can give us a call and we can get you a booking slot in to get that kit fitted straight away as soon as these land in around 2 weeks. So we're here with these two vans now. We've got the pure grey and we've got Ravenna blue. We're going to take them out on some roads round here. We're going to get some drone shots, some moving shots. We're going to head back here for some sunset photos, which you'll see on our socials later on. So let's get at it. So as you can see, the sun's setting on another beautiful day out in the Peak District. We've took these two out, we've given them a good drive around, get some really good shots for you. And yeah, the pre-orders are available now in the link in the description. And for any more information, feel free to give us a call or drop us a message on social media.